A sample was provided for my honest and unbiased opinion. The packaging for this came in a really nice dark cardboard box. Looks really nice, would make an excellent gift for somebody. Now the product is actually quite high quality. Now this is metal down here, the base, which is going to be the magnet which helps keep this afloat, and this is the actual speaker. Now as you can see, it's kind of like a little baseball, fits in the palm of your hand, and if you really look at it closely, you'll see it's got the lights that are already lit up, which is really nice as well. And it kind of resembles like a little Death Star from the Star Wars movie, so that's kind of cool if you got Star Wars fans that you're getting this for, or you are one. And it'll especially look like that when it's floating and spinning around as well. It also comes with this micro USB charger, which you'll just plug it in and charge it into this slot right there. And you can plug this into your laptop or any USB port. Now, it's got this AC adapter, which you're going to plug into any wall plug. And as you can see, it's going to light up over here. And that's going to help you get this to float. Now, it might take you several times. Sometimes when I was first doing it, I've actually used this quite a few times. So it took me at least 3 or 4 times to make sure I could do it well. But it should take about no more than 10 seconds. So as you can see, when I've centered it, these lights here are going to start to go down. So I'm going to hold it here for about 10 seconds to make sure that it is floating and is catching on these magnets. And right about at the point where they're going out. See, if you don't do that, it's just going to kind of stick like that, okay? And this happened to me quite a few times where it's not really floating, right? It's just kind of hanging on the bottom there. So if I hold it right over it though, there we go. Okay, so just so you can see that it is, I'm going to put a paper right under it, and it is completely floating. And it does spin too, as you can see, in multiple directions. And that's pretty cool. Now, I've also paired it to my iPhone here, so I'm going to give you an idea of how it sounds. One comment on this is the bass definitely is not that strong, so if you're expecting really good bass from this, even though it is quite expensive, don't expect that. The treble and mid-range are actually okay, so let me play some music here, and let's see. Let's go from that. As you can see, it still spins. I can spin it much faster if I wanted to. It sounds pretty cool. Okay. Now I wanted to go with the song that has a little bit more bass on it and give you an idea. So right now that bass is okay. Again, it is floating. Pull it right off. And I can actually make it go louder. Okay, so that is this floating orb by Ice. It is a really nice Bluetooth speaker. It's definitely going to catch the attention of all your friends. You're going to be very popular after showing them this, and it is very attractive. So can definitely recommend it. It is, I will admit, a little bit expensive, but it definitely does what it says, and it's pretty cool. So that's my review of this Ice Orb.